Okay, so our last application of the Pythagorean theorem is actually going to be the distance formula. The distance formula is a way of finding the length of a segment between 2 points on a coordinate plane, okay, or the distance between them. So for example, let's say we have A at negative 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's A, and B is at 2, negative 1. So here's B. There's a segment between these 2 points that we could draw in, and if it asks us to find the distance, what it's really asking us to do is find the length between those 2 segments. So if I were to go ahead and draw in, I'll do it in a different color. It's asking us to find the length of that red segment. Okay, so you can't count boxes because, I mean, it's if I were to count 1 here, that's not necessarily 1. It doesn't necessarily go through that corner. This is really not 1. It just doesn't work. You can't count. So we need some other way to find it. So what we could do is we could form a right triangle. If I do that and that, what I formed is I formed a right triangle, and now I can use Pythagorean theorem in order to find it. Because what I can do is if you've got lines that are perfectly vertical or perfectly horizontal, for those ones you can count boxes. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this side is going to be 6. And then this side is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now I can use Pythagorean theorem. There is a formula that I'm going to get to. So I'm going to start with Pythagorean theorem, but I'm actually going to build it up a little bit. So you're going to see where I'm going to go. All of you at this point can solve for the missing side here, which is this. This is going to be C. Let's label the rest of our diagram. So this is going to be C. Let's label this as A, and let's label this as B. And then we know that we can use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And at this point, all of you could plug in for A and B and solve for C. I'm not worried about that. But let's see if we can build this up a little bit. Let's explore this a little bit. I want to get C by itself eventually. So what if I were to take the square root first? Now I have the square root of A squared plus B squared equals C. By the way, the square root of A squared plus B squared is absolutely not A plus B. Okay, it doesn't work that way. All right, but that's besides the point. Let's keep going. So what was A? A was 5 and B was 6. So you could go in your calculator and you could type in, as long as you type it correctly, you could do the square root of 5 squared plus 6 squared, and that would give you C. But where did the 5 come from? The 5 actually came, when you count boxes, what you're doing mathematically is you're actually subtracting. If you go back to the coordinates, then you could see that negative 3 minus 2 actually gives us negative 5, or if I go in the opposite direction, 2 minus negative 3 gives me positive 5. So this is actually, the 5 is actually 2 minus negative 3, which was the x-coordinates of the original 2 points. And then the same thing in the vertical direction, I'm actually subtracting the y-coordinates. So this one would actually be 5 minus negative 1. So that's where the 6 came from. And so this is the full distance formula. You subtract your x-coordinates and square it. You subtract your y-coordinates and square it. Add them together and take the square root. That gives you C. It all comes from Pythagorean theorem. So we could generalize this. By the way, if you were to actually put this in your calculator, which I'm not going to ask you to do, but if you did, you would find out that C ends up being 7.8. So let's generalize this. The distance formula is, when you have 2 coordinates, x1, comma, y1, and your other coordinate is x2, comma, y2, your distance formula is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. That's the distance formula. That's the entire thing. And as you can see, it actually comes from Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so let's do one more example. So I don't have a graph to look at now. Find the length of AB if A is 4, 3 and B is -2, -5. Round to the nearest tenth. Let's start by labeling our points. x1, y1, x2, y2, and then let's go to the distance formula. Distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Let's plug in. The square root of -2 minus 4 squared plus -5 minus 3 squared, which is the square root of -6 squared, it's okay if you get negatives, plus -8 squared, which is the square root of 36 plus 64, which is the 36 plus 64 is 100. And so it turns out that my distance is 10. And that's how you use the distance formula. Label your points, plug in, simplify down, and that's all there is to it.